Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today, guys, we're going to be finally revealing the new vehicle that we have here. As you guys might know, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did get rid of the truck. So I'm going to be revealing the new car vehicle here. You never know, it could be a car. I guess you couldn't really tell from the lift of that, maybe. Maybe you could, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be revealing the new car here. So this car is going to be my new car, and I'll explain why I did it in a different video, which is going to explain why I got rid of my truck, which is going to kind of talk about why I got this one. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and drop this real quick. You guys might know just based on this beep. Let's see. Maybe you guys know just based on that beep. I'm going to try not to show it though for a second. But basically, what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and just show it because that's it. That's it. That's all we can do. That's all that's left to do. So here it is. I ended up getting a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I did get the altitude package so that I could get everything blacked out.
Oh my God! Wow!
It kind of just worked out that I found one exactly what I wanted, kind of when I wanted to get it, so it kind of all worked out. Like I said, I'll have a video down below that kind of explains why I ended up getting this and getting rid of my truck. So if you're here from the truck videos, I'm sorry, there's not gonna be any more truck videos. I might do some that are talking about like issues with it or something like that, but for the most part, it's pretty much gone. So there she is. As you can see, it's all white, and then everything else on it is just blacked out, which is pretty awesome because as you guys know, on my truck I blacked everything out. I have a video coming on that because that's something that changed a lot on the Jeep. It seems like a little thing. It's this rubber cover. So if you're looking for that and you're thinking about getting one, then you can watch this video and see if you guys actually want to get one. So I'm not going to go too in depth on the features because I'm going to have another video which talks about all the features of it, but I'm going to kind of talk about just like a little bit of what's in it. So you can see we got the two blacked out windows in the back, obviously, because that's how it comes. It's got the 20-inch blacked out wheels, which again, like I said, I'm going to have a video more in depth. So if you're watching this probably within a week or two after it was released, then there's going to be more videos coming out. So again, the back is blacked out, all the emblems are blacked out, so that's kind of what I wanted. Like I said, with my truck, I had it, everything was plasti dipped black, where this has everything gloss black. So I do have a bunch of mods, so I'm going to be filming a bunch of videos right now. So I'm going to actually go into more depth and talk about those things, but I just wanted to get the video out, just kind of talking about the initial reveal of what I was getting here, or why I got it, I guess, basically, and just talking about the little bits of why I'm doing what I'm doing. So yeah, here it is. This is the new vehicle. So like I said, it's just gonna be a quick one for this one, and there's gonna be a bunch of videos about this vehicle within the next few weeks. So make sure you do click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Of course, click the like button, and of course, comment anything that you have to say. Whether you're mad I got rid of the truck and got this, or whatever it may be. There she is. I'm super happy with it so far. I've had it for about a week now, and I am loving it. So like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.